Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to do VLOOKUP between two spreadsheets in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you need to pull data from one spreadsheet into another without manually copying information back and forth, saving you tons of time and reducing errors. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log in to your Google account. This will take you to your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your files and spreadsheets. Now, here's an important step. You'll need to have both spreadsheets open to work between them efficiently. Locate the spreadsheet that contains the data you want to pull from. Click the three dots next to that spreadsheet and select Open in New tab. This opens it in a separate tab so you can easily switch between the two. Once that's loading, go back to your Workspace dashboard and click on the spreadsheet where you want to use the VLOOKUP formula. This is your destination spreadsheet where the data will appear. For this example, let's say you want to pull address data from one spreadsheet into another. In your destination spreadsheet, click on the cell under the address column where you want the data to appear. Now type equals VLOOKUP to start building your formula. Next, click on the cell that contains the lookup value. In this example, it's the name in cell B2. This is the value Google Sheets will search for in the other spreadsheet. After clicking that cell, type a comma. Now comes the crucial part where we connect the two spreadsheets. For the range, type range and add a double quotation mark. This function allows you to pull data from another spreadsheet, switch to the other spreadsheet tab, the one with your source data, and look at the URL in your browser's address bar. You need to copy the spreadsheet ID, which is the long string of characters that appears after spreadsheet/ or d/ in the URL. Copy that entire ID. Go back to your VLOOKUP formula and paste the ID you just copied. After pasting it, add another quotation mark to close it. Now you need to specify the range from the other spreadsheet. Add a comma, then type the range string like sheet1 A:B. This tells Google Sheets to look at columns A through B on sheet 1 of the other spreadsheet. Make sure you add a quotation mark before and after this range string. The exact range will depend on where your data is located in the source spreadsheet. After the range string, close the range function with a closing parenthesis. Next, add a comma and input the index number. In this case, type 2. This tells VLOOKUP to return the value from the second column in your specified range. Add another comma, then type false. This ensures an exact match for your lookup value. Finally, close the entire formula with a closing parenthesis and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. You might see a prompt asking for permission to connect the two spreadsheets. Click Allow to grant access. Once the formula processes, you'll see the address data appear in your cell. Now here's the best part. Click on the cell with your formula and you'll see a small blue square at the bottom right corner. Click and drag that square down to copy the formula to other cells below. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the formula for each row, pulling the corresponding data for each entry. And there you have it. You've successfully created a VLOOKUP formula that pulls data between two separate spreadsheets in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.